Thank you, Mr. Chairperson. The Human Rights House Foundation welcomes the report of the High Commissioner on effective measures to ensure the protection of human rights in the context of peaceful protest. As stated in the report, states should have the primary concern of preventing violence and of the use of force by law enforcement officials. We welcome the fact that rights of anybody are not limited due to the nature of the events. Even in case of violence, all human rights of everybody are to be protected. We welcome, however, that the right to protest as such is limited to the peaceful expression by people as a way to participate to shaping a democratic society, as underlined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. We also recall to this Council that the Resolution 2210 of March 2013 calls upon states to investigate any death or injuries committed during the protest. In Ukraine, the violent repression of protests started in November 2013 has caused the death of at least 103 people and injured hundreds more. To date, more than 300 persons are still missing. Police forces have been accused of targeting journalists and medical workers. Here again, the violent nature of some events does not diminish the right of all people to see their rights protected, and the use of lethal weapons is definitely an unacceptable way of handling the protests in Ukraine. Mr. Chairperson, the states indeed do not only have the responsibility to protect peaceful protesters, they also have the responsibility to listen to legitimate aspirations expressed at those protests. In the last year, Bosnia and Herzegovina has been a place of constant citizen movement and protest. We call upon the authorities of Bosnia and Herzegovina to engage in an open and inclusive consultation with civil society in order to prevent an escalation of frustration and violence. In many countries, peaceful protests are preventively banned, as in the Republic of Azerbaijan and the Republic of Belarus. Banning people from using public space to express their opinion, even their dissenting feelings, is the signal given by authorities on their true willingness to respect human rights. This Council needs to stay seized by this matter and monitor more closely the real willingness of states to abide by their real obligation. Thank you, Mr. Chairperson.
Thank you very much.